Hi guys, I'm Canine Kerner Finn Austin there, and I don't know what that animal is. It looks like it's an animal that wears a reindeer outfit. It looks like a donkey. Yeah, it looks like a donkey because his tail looks like a donkey. I don't know what that thing is. It looks like a donkey. It's not a singing toy. It's a stuffed animal. It looks like a donkey. Yeah, it looks like a donkey. Yeah, it looks like a donkey or a cow. Yeah, this one might be a donkey. So goodbye and have a good day.